Hey, it's Ben here, and in this tutorial we're going to have a look at how we create a cancelled symbol on screen and then kind of throw the text across it. So we are going to come up to our titles and generators up at the top left. You might see your library options here. You just want to click on the T and the little generator symbol, and then you're going to come down in your titles to the bumper and opener options, and we're just going to grab the basic title from here. So once this is down on our timeline, we're going to use a font called Font Awesome. Now, if you don't have it installed, you'll need to install it. So if you come to your web browser, go to fontawesome.com or just Google Font Awesome and find the link that pops up. And then we want to go to this little download button down here. And basically, we're going to download the free for desktop version. Okay, so download that and follow the install instructions for Font Awesome. And then the last thing you'll want to do is just Google Font Awesome cheat sheet. It's just easier to find it that way than it is on the website. And in the list of solid Font Awesome icons, we're going to just scroll down and we're looking for this ban icon. Now, it's just much easier to copy this from here and then to paste it into Final Cut Pro once we've got the font than it is to kind of add it in Final Cut Pro. So we'll grab this and then we're going to change our font here to Font Awesome. So we'll scroll up until we find Font Awesome, and then we can paste that in and it will show up as the band symbol right in here. Now, the nice thing about this being a font is that it has no restrictions on size. Some of the emojis, when you bring them up to a really big size, will lose their quality, but we're not going to lose any quality when we are using this. So now, once that's done, we can scroll down to face. We'll grab a red from here. Maybe we'll make it a bit of a darker, richer red. And then I'm going to do one more thing here. I'm going to highlight the image in the background, come to my color correction, and then just pull up my blacks, pull down my whites, and just darken that down. And we've basically got our cancelled symbol here. Now I'm then going to come up to my basic title and drop another one down above. And now we can just choose how we want this to appear over the top. So we'll come to our text options here. We'll type in cancelled and highlight that. And then we'll change this to the bold 2D styles. We can increase the size. We could have it so it cuts across the middle there by rotating it and stuff with the transform tools if we wanted to. But I think we'll leave it flat here for the moment. So I'll turn off my transform tools and I'm just going to make it nice and big so that you can see the cancel symbol in the background there. And then we could also just increase the tracking just a little bit. And there we have a couple of really useful things. So adding that cancelled symbol and then also adding the type over the top, but using Font Awesome. There's a lot of very useful social media icons in there and stuff like that. So it's definitely a font that's worth installing the basic version of. You can see as I kind of scroll down here, there's a lot of useful different fonts in there. Hopefully this quick tutorial is useful. If you have any questions, then let me know. Leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.